So I say that we've gone wrong in thinking that, we have this culture that's really about human exceptionalism, right? Humans are the epitome of everything. We're the best, and it must be our big human brains that brought consciousness to existence, or maybe if we're being generous, maybe it's nervous systems and animals, but it's something to do with how great we are and how amazing our brains are. Like that's the vibe really in science. And I'm saying I think that's just a misplaced assumption that came along with it kind of emerged with thinkers like Descartes. And